Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a mirror out of this, and so I wanted you to see how it looked before. What I'm going to do right now first is clean it up, take it outside. I'm going to spray paint it all silver. Stay tuned, this is going to be interesting. Okay, so here is the chalkboard. I went ahead and painted it silver, and I'm still letting it dry. Now these are the things you will need. Now you'll need any kind of board you want to use, and you just spray paint it. And then you're going to need 4 octagon mirrors and just a small mirror for the middle. Did purchase this one at Walmart. 8-inch. It's 8 inches, so that's what I chose to use. And then I'm using these bling plates that I know a lot of YouTubers use. I need 4 octagons, a plate, and some type of picture frame along with spray paint. And this is going to be an absolutely beautiful DIY. The one thing I don't like is using hope I don't mess up. And if I do, there goes the paint. Stunning as well. See, so what I'm thinking is, instead of gluing it and not having the option, I could just I have some double side sticking, and I think that's what I probably will end up doing, because I feel like it finishes. I mean, it's beautiful like that. Okay, this is a second option. This is with, I put the silver paper just lightly. I put some tape in the back just to give you a view of how that would look. Now, it's not down all the way. It's kind of sticking out, but if I would put it permanently, I would, put it a little bit nicer and neater. But here is an idea of what that would look like. And also I had one more idea. Let me see if I can find it around here. And I just want to know what you guys think. There, you could also, I don't know if I'm going to do it, but you could also put this tea light right there in the center if you wanted to. It's just another idea. Of course, you couldn't use real candle tea lights. You could, you know, use fake ones. But so here it is, the second option. Let me know what you guys think. I really would like to hear from you. Okay, bye-bye.